Right, so we're just starting a wire ring, so we're going to go from there, down, around. We've got a socket just down there, so that one's going to link to there. Then we're going to take a cable from here. This is the last one, by the way. We're going to go up to there. Then we're going to go from there, all the way around that trunking, and we're going to go to that socket there. Then we're hit this one here. This one here is going to run round, and it's going to go up to a socket behind the CCTV in the office. And then that one there is going to go from there around that trunking and to the behind the TV where that socket is. That is a ring. So what we're doing, the dotted line goes from here. It goes all the way around the wall and it goes to that socket there. So that's there. So it runs all the way around there and does that socket there. Then the solid line is going to come out of there and go to the 2. So it's going to drop down, go along and come up and do those 2. Then it's going to drop out of there and it's going to run round. It's going to run round behind our sofa. Our sofa's here and into that socket there. So it's going to run down, around and to that socket there. And then that socket there is going to run round that trunking and go into that cupboard. Well, it will be a cupboard. So that's that leg there. And then we're going to go from that last socket, which is there, up, round that trunking, into the cupboard and into the ring there, which is going to be that leg there. So we've got our 2 legs in already. So we're going to join that solid line onto this solid line. And then our ring is going to carry on all the way round. So there's our ring. Let's get to it. So that's wide, that's wide, that's wide, that's wide. So the chip is going to build this in around here, and then we're going to have wooden paneling here and here apparently. So that there is just going to run round and go into there, and we're going to join the ring up at the